हाय गाइस व्हाट्स अप, कैसे आप सभी लोग। स्वागत है आपका मेरा नया वीडियो में। आज मैं दोबारा से खेलने जा रहा हूँ गरीना फ्री सिटी। तो चलिए गेम के अंदर।
What is that? This is a talent module. I've heard about these dangerous, unstable, but it can unlock humans' potential. Don't look down. It's fucking disgusting down here. Patrol officers and the electric fence. We need to deal with these problems. Sorry, folks. Emergency power shut down.
Power's out! Quick, check the power distribution room!
Another talent module. Daddy's home. Everything's the same old, same old. The Iguana Gang. I got the scoop on them while I was in jail. Keeping an eye on things, playing muscle, pimping.
Hey, remember me? I gotta say, you've impressed me. 3 of our men died at your hands.
Hey, Paco, calm down. If you want to fight, come get it!
Hey, you mad dog! Trashed my place, killed my men. You're a lucky bastard to still be breathing.
Well, you might not be so lucky. I'm gonna make you regret coming here.
Looks like I arrived just in time, Kay.
Deal with this bastard!
Hear me out. Tie him to the car. Let's take him for a ride.
Untie me, you bastard!
Let's get this punk to spend big bucks for us. Club's prize is a marauder. Car, you could have joined that damn club, cost a fortune. Today we found someone willing to fund us, right, Paco?
I'll cover it. It doesn't matter how much. I'm tied with the club manager. I can get you a top car for the races. But you gotta promise to let me go once this is all over.
That depends on how sincere you are, Paco.
New guy, you take this car.
Show them what you got!
Joining us. We've got plenty of tracks around the city. Check your phone. I just sent you the location for the race. You'll need to bring the required ride for the race, and our champion's prize will blow your mind. Alright, grab your prize. This beast of a bad boy.
Fresh start, bro. Opportunities stacking up like dog shit on the sidewalk. Fucking everywhere. Big job right here needing bodies. Time to make some real fucking noise. Drop the location on you. Look for an info dealer called E. Heard they rock some weird-ass mask. Can't miss them. I gotta bounce back to the garage and hose those fuckers' blood off my floor. Can't roll with you this time.
E? Never heard of this guy before. Seems like a lot has changed while I was locked up.